going thing.
Hey guys, JC from JC, and today I'm here with another review for you guys. It's not a food review like I do normally, but it's another review. It's for the Neewer Phantom Power Supply. Now I have this right in front of me right now. I did an unboxing, but for some reason it deleted it right after I got done with it. So this is what it sounds like right now. I have just a regular foam windscreen on it. So currently, I have my Phantom Power box right here, and it's plugged into my Sabrent sound card in my PC. Because that's what it said to do to get the best sound. Basically the best sound. So I'm gonna take off the pop filter or the windscreen. I'm gonna do some plosives. So, that looks horrible. Okay, now let's put the windscreen on. Okay, it looks a little bit better. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the pop filter. See, that is definitely the best choice for the plosives. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. It's just a little quick review on the Neewer Phantom Power Box. I'll put a link in the description for that. So, yeah, see you later. Bye.